Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Cynosure Hair. And today I'm going to be showing you their loose deep wave lace frontal wig. This is what it looks like straight out of the package. Really, really pretty. This one is in the length 22 inches. It states it's 180% in density. Now this unit comes with your 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap. This unit does come with a slight pre-pluck hairline. I did go in and pluck mine out just a bit more, but I wasn't heavy-handed with it because I really didn't know exactly how I wanted to style this unit. So now I'm just going to work on cutting off this lace. I did have to cut off a little bit on the side by my ear just so it could sit above my ear. And it does say that this is HD lace on the website, but I felt like it wasn't as HD. It was more like a little bit transparent in my opinion, because you can see how light it is when I scooted it back. We'll be using my bowl hole liquid gold to adhere this lace down today. So I'm just using this edge brush with this little spatula on the side. That way I don't have to use my hands because this can get very sticky. And I am just going to place the lace on top. I don't know what that was, but I'm just going to place the lace on top and then use my rat tail comb just to kind of press the lace in really good, and then use my blow dryer to speed up the process. Now with the boho liquid gold, I prefer to use a thin amount because I feel like you don't have to use too much, and I like to take my units off at night also. I decided to rock a middle part for this look today, and even though this is a 13x4, I do feel like the parting space is nice and open. I don't feel like it needs to be plucked out or anything. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of my wax at the top, and I'm just going to use my hot comb to press everything out. Now I've been having this hot comb for a while. This is like my ride or die. This hot comb gets the job done. It goes up to 500 degrees. This hot comb does come from Kendra's Boutique, and I have had not one issue with this hot comb, but you got to be very careful because you will get burnt.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe.
Section off the hair, so I'm going to go ahead and mist the hair with water, and I'm not going to be heavy-handed like I would with kinky curly hair, just because it doesn't need too much, just enough so I can add my products in. Now I am going to be a little bit more generous towards the ends of the hair because I did notice that it was coming off a bit frizzy. I'll also make sure to put some extra product at the ends. Now we'll be using my Shea Moisture Mousse today, and I'm just going to make sure to coat the hair. But like I said, I'm not going to be super heavy-handed with the product just because I want the waves to still look really nice and fluffy. The product in, I went through it with my defining brush, and then I just kind of scrunched up the hair a little bit. You can see those waves pop back, and now I'm just going to dry this down. Now, I did not do a lot of diffusing with this hair. I did end up taking like a long lunch break, and I just kind of let it air dry the rest of the way, but it did not take as long to dry down because, like I said, I did not saturate the hair too much. So I'm going to go ahead and clip the hair back once it's all dried. And then I am going to remove the front of this elastic band so I can work on these hairs that I pulled out of the hairline. I'm going to cut the hairs down shorter, and then I'm going to use my flat iron to curl the hair so that I can prepare them to be swooped. Now, of course, you guys know that this is a personal preference. If you don't like them, you definitely don't have to do this step. You can just skip it. But I'll be using that same product that I put on the hair, and I'll just place that on my edge brush and get the swoop into my desires. Now, sometimes it comes out right the first time, and then sometimes I have to go in and just kind of keep redoing it, especially when I'm trying to match them both, you know, together on each side. But it don't always work like that. After I'm done swooping, now I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses powder and place that into the parting space area. I'm also going to place powder around the front of the hairline. So the knots did not come bleached on this unit, and they were very dark, so I did try to go in and bleach them, but they were kind of stubborn. So in order to lighten them up, I feel like the powder is definitely needed. Some of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, I'm just going to lightly fluff up the hair. Now, this hair did have some frizziness and some flyaways at the top, so this is just going to kind of help to lay it down and keep it all nice and sleek. So guys, this is the final look of this unit. I like loose deep wave. It's been a while since I've done a loose deep wave unit, and I feel like this is a perfect unit to transition into the spring and summertime, especially if you're going to do like beach days. Then this one is really pretty. Now I'm going to turn around also so you can see what the back looks like. I'm only 5'2". Now this unit does come also in 150% and 220% in density, just in case you want a little bit thicker. I feel like with this length, the density is okay to me. It's great to wear for every day. I don't feel like it's too heavy, but for my ladies who like super thick density, then yeah, you might want to check out the 220%. Also on the website, if you are not a fan of frontals and you want a bit more low maintenance, do offer closure options, so you can get this in a 4x4 closure or a 5x5 closure. This unit, I did get some slight shedding, and I also did get some tangles in the nape area and towards the ends. You are going to have to make sure to refresh and maintain. Now, I wanted to do like another quick little cute style just in case you want to pull that hair out of the way, especially if you are going on vacation and you just don't want to do too much. I'm just going to pull up a little bit of the hair, and I'm going to just do like a low half up, half down. I don't want to call it a high half up because you can still see my parting space, and I also didn't mess up around the hairline area. So I'm just going to take a little rubber band. You can also do a clip, but my clips were a bit too big, so it wasn't going to work out at all. Put a little bit more of my wax at the top because, man, those shorter hairs were definitely real. But this is cute. I feel like this is fun. You want to keep the hair out of your face. Now, this unit does also start at 10 inches and it goes up to 30 inches. I know the shorter inches are going to be really cute. You could do a cute little loose deep wave bob. But guys, let me know what you think about this. If you are feeling it, I'm going to make sure to leave links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.